Whoa! Who are you?
Eddie.
What?
Eddie, look.
I am looking, bud. What is it? Are you, okay? Whoa, hey!
Eddie, it's a tiny version of us. Keep.
Venom, no! Put me down! I'm gonna be late for school! Hey, new guy, right? I'm Spider-Man. You're huge. Heya! I said heya twice. You don't find your way around, or...
Host. We will keep an eye on him.
You gonna leave me hanging?
Good to meet you, Spider.
Yeah, same!
We are Venom.
Cool name.
We will not allow you to die.
Okay, cool, thanks. So heckin' big.
If anything happens to this boy, we will eat everyone in sight.
Okay, bud.
Eddie.
No. What the? I said no! I bet you can't get into this jar.
Of course I can.
I doubt it.
See? Eddie, you monster.
Sorry, I don't want to eat trash food today.
You ate vegetables? Disgusting. Human tastes better than this.
You look cute in that jar.
I do?
Venom, what's the one thing I told you not to do tonight?
Eat policemen.
And what did you do?
Eat policemen.
Well, shit.
What is the matter?
I forgot my umbrella.
Don't like getting wet.
Well, of course not. I don't want to catch a cold.
Well, why didn't you just say? I can be of assistance and keep you dry in the rain.
That'd be helpful. Thank you, Parasite Venom.
Alright, let's go.
And there are voices in my ear. I guess these never disappear.